Hello and welcome to another video. This is day 5 of our meditation series. We're going to talk about guided meditation. Why is this so important? Well, we've done a few other meditation techniques. If you've done the webinar, then guided meditation, it becomes easier to clear the body just using the mind. And it's sometimes nice to let somebody else drive you around, isn't it? So what a guided meditation really is allowing somebody else to do the work for you while you sit there and just focus 100% on yourself. You focus 100% on yourself and you can help to heal yourself. Get rid of all these negative emotions, feelings, thoughts, anxiety, stress, depression, trauma even. You can get rid of all of it. And guided meditation is a wonderful way of doing that. And you can use your imagination to the best of your ability wherever you're taken with this meditation. I personally love guided meditation. I was a bit skeptical of it at first, but once you use your imagination like a child again, it's really good stuff. You can try the webinar I created on 5 meditation techniques below if you click the link below. Also, if you want to carry on with the series, you can subscribe and like the channel. And we have Qigong classes here on this channel, so you can try them as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.